Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing and product review of something that I just received in the mail that I ordered a couple of weeks ago and it finally got here. So I want to open it up online and on my channel to see, for you guys to see it, and hopefully you will like this product. Hopefully you like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. If you want to support my page, my Patreon page and my PayPal donation page are linked below in the corner of my homepage on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate if you guys check that out. So the product that we're going to be unboxing today, like I said, just came in today, and something like this. This came from California. So it's something that I ordered, like I said, about almost 2 weeks ago maybe, or even less than that. So let's open this bad boy up and I can actually show you what it is. So the bag, put that on the side. So what this is that I ordered, like I said guys, is this is a 10 USB power brick, as they call it. This is the highest version that you can get is the 2.0 USB 2.0. So this is what this is. This makes your whatever you're charging or plugged into this a lot more faster and stuff like that. So it's a very cool thing to have. And I needed this, and also I needed more the plugs that I have here, because the most ones that I have here, one is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the other one is 5. So this one here will be perfect. So what it is it's this right here. It does come with its own power thing right here and right here. They give you different types of options of how to plug it up. So that's one good thing. They give you the direct power plug, to directly to hook it to the power and to the box itself right here. Or you can go and turn around and connect it directly to here and to your computer, or to maybe another USB. But I don't recommend you hooking this to another USB unless that USB is a 2.0. If it's not, it would be just useless to do that. So, or you can just go and turn around and hook this directly to your computer, directly to the box, and then you should be done. So I don't think I'm going to be needing this, because the power that I'm going to do is directly going to be coming from my computer. So I don't think I'm going to be needing this. But this right here, I would definitely go and use. I'm hoping this is a long enough cord for me to go, because I have all my USB sockets on my side here. I got it velcroed onto my desk on the side here. So this one here I'm going to put on this side right above my hard drive, because my hard drive needs a plug at the back. So I'm thinking that this should be long enough for me to fit right there. So this is what it is. It actually doesn't have a name brand, so this is just a generic, I would call it, of it. And like I said, it does say 10 ports right there. And it does say USB 2.0 right there. And it is 10. You can count them all the way down. It is 10. So we're going to plug this up to right here, like that. And I'm going to hook this to my computer and see, because I see that they have the lights above the USB plugs. So I want to see what that looks like, if it lights up or if it doesn't, and we will see. Alright guys, so let's see what that looks like after we go and plug it up. So we're going to unplug this plug here that I don't use. So we're going to plug this plug right here. It is plugged in, and I don't see any lights coming on. As you see, there's no lights. So we got this here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and plug one of these plugs that I have here into here and see if it plugs, if it goes in. I'm charging one of my phones, one of my Android phones. So let's see, I have the plug in. I don't see the light coming on. So for all I know, I might need that power source, that extra power source, because it doesn't tell me if it's charging. Well, maybe it is charging. Because it's not showing me that it's lit or not. So I don't know if it's actually working or not. That's actually a good question. I showed my phone and it says my phone is on 2% and it is pulsing, so I'm thinking it is charging. I'm not too sure. But I think it is working. So it looks like this, guys. Very cool. And I paid, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I bought this on eBay for one. Two, I think I paid $12 for this. So it's pretty, like I said, it's a pretty good product. It does what it says. And it is a 2.0 plug. So just to go and see, it should say on my computer that it's a 2.0 plug plugged into my computer here. It should say it. Yep, it does. It does say that it is a 2.0 plug. to know. Alright, so now we know it's a 2.0, and it is plugged into the computer because it did say it was plugged in. Now yeah, it's installing the driver now. Yep, I'll spin you around and you can actually see what I'm talking about. Right there. It's installing the driver and all that. It's searching for Windows updates. But the US driver is right there, ready to use. General use, that's ready, all that. So everything is good on it. Now it's all checked and your driver is ready to use. So here we go. So at least we know that is ready to use and everything. So I'm happy about that. So like I said, it does work. Oh, here we go. The light is on. The light is on. So I had to update the driver to tell me that it is working on the computer. So the light is on. So I didn't need the power source. The power source is coming from the computer. So it's good, guys. It works. Yes, guys. So that I'm happy about. So if you want this, you can find it on eBay. Look for a 10-port USB 2.0 and you should be able to find it very easily. You can probably even find it on Amazon too. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to let you know about future videos I got coming out with. If you want to support my page, my Patreon page, and my PayPal donation page, I'll link below in the corner of my homepage at my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it if you guys check that out. But for right now, guys, thank you very much. Until the next video, guys.